Hi everyone, my name is Godwin. I am from Kochi, Kerala. Today I am going to present a small topic on how artificial intelligence is used in food industries. So, in the case study, the food processing and handling industry is the most significant business among the various manufacturing industries in the entire world that subsidize the highest employability. The human workforce play an essential role in the smooth execution of production and packaging of food products. Due to involvement of humans, the food industries are falling to maintain the demand supply chain and also lacking in food safety. The overcome these issues of food industries, industrial automation is the best possible solution. Automation is completely based on artificial intelligence. In the empathy part, the ability to understand and share feelings of another. So next in the define part, artificial intelligence is the theory and development of computer systems able to perform tasks normally like human, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision making, and translation between languages. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science which mainly deals with creating machines that are developed in such a way that it acts just like a human being. So, the deployment of AI in these companies can help them to achieve better customer experience, efficient supply chain management, improve operational efficiency, reduction in material movements and vehicle activity, and to achieve the best result in the business. Next, in the ideate part, first is sorting fresh produce. One of the biggest challenges faced by food processing plants relates to the irregular availability of feedstocks. Food processing plants depends on manual sorting and shifting of vegetables, leading to loss and efficiency and increase in cost. By using artificial intelligence, food processing companies can achieve significant automations for food cataloging using combination of cameras, lasers, machine learning to enable food sorting with enhanced efficiency, which leads to higher yield in better quality and less wastage. AI is used as a better means to calibrate machines in order to manage several product sizes and reduce waste. So in that picture, as you can see that those apples are identified according to their size, shape and quality by using an AI. Next is the efficient supply chain management. Supply chain management is the top priority for all food companies with the increased need of transparency. The food industry is using AI to improve supply chains though. Food safety monitoring and testing product at every step of the supply chain to ensure compliance to industry and consumer specifications. More accurate forecasting to manage pricing and inventory. AI based image recognition technologies enable better and more efficient procurement of produce. Next is the food safety compliance. The AI enabled cameras are used to ensure safety compliance amongst food workers in the food facility. This employs facial recognition and object recognition software to determine whether workers are complying with good personal hygiene as required by the food safety law. If violation is found, it extracts the screen images for review, which can be rectified in real time. And the accuracy of these technology is more than 96%. I mean, that is great. Next are some challenges to the adoption of artificial intelligence technology in the food industry. The cost of AI deployment is very high, which means only giant players in the food industry can afford it. Next, the deployment of AI is associated with fear. The fear that computers are taking over and the fear that technology can be negatively manipulated in the future. The fear that power will be left in the hands of few and the humans will lose their job to computers. As a new technology, many companies are hesitant to invest until it is well known the true value or capability of AI is delivered. AI technology required increased transparency and more involvement of consumers in decision making. This is challenged because food and beverage companies are known to guard their secret recipes fiercely. And finally, in the conclusion, I would like to say that Artificial intelligence is making the food industry more efficient and better and promises to yield many more new changes in the near future. AI's role in the food industry is becoming increasingly important due to its ability to reduce waste, predict market for products, efficient monitoring, augment sanitization, manage costs, and increase revenue. Researchers are going on to find solutions to the challenges of artificial intelligence and increase its adoption. That's all. Thank you.